All right, this your boy. You know who it is. This your boy. I got a new setup. I got new speakers. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Big shout out to JP at downforsound.com. He came through. You know, we got this from him. You can always go and get you some speakers from him. He got it for a good price. You know. So shout out to JP. Thank you, sir. Okay, so what I'm gonna do with this video, this is gonna be just a quick unboxing. I got the Skar SDR 12s. I got the dual ohms. I got four of them. We get a final load of 1 ohm to my amp. Let's go ahead. Let's do a quick unbox. Let's see. I already cut it, so let's go ahead and do a quick unboxing. Oh yeah. Let's go ahead and unbox that bad boy. What does it come with? Alright, I'm gonna show you guys the speaker. Let's do a quick unboxing. See what we got here. Got a manual. Manual. Now got a manual. Comes with the manual. DRA box. Manual right here. Let's go ahead and set that off to the side. Let's go ahead and let's get the speaker out. Speaker come in like this. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, 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 ooh. Look at that. Let me take the plastic off real quick here. This is just an unboxing. Take the plastic off. Like that. Wow. This thing got some meat on it. Look at that thing. Ooh wee. It is definitely heavy. Got some weight on it for sure. Whoa. Looks like it's not gonna be so bad. Okay, now let's go ahead and I'm looking at it right now. Oh, look at that thing. Let me go ahead and set it on the ground. Yeah, look at that thing. Yeah. Skar Audio 12. Thing is beefy. Look at this thing. Thing is beefy. It looks like it's gonna thump. Like it's gonna bump, man. Wow. That's it. Looks like it won't be so bad after all. Well, guys, this is a quick unboxing of the Skar Audio SDR 12. 2 dual ohms. 2 ohms. So, can't wait to put them in the box. Oh, I'd like to give a special shout out to JP for downforsound.com. Gave me a little bit of treats in here. What we got here? Little card. Really? A sucker. Okay, that's all good. A nice little sticker put on the car. Down for Sound. Down for Sound right here. And a little keychain. Alright. Just want to give you a shout out to JP for hooking a brother up with those. Be sure to do some more business with you soon.